Imagine this. Spider-Man just saved the day, but instead of swinging into his next mission, he spends hours handwriting thank you notes for every person he's helped. What? That's just way too much time spent on something that could be automated. Manually writing thank you notes after each sale is a waste of time, and it's slowing you down. You could be out there closing more deals, but instead you're stuck writing notes by hand. Here's the solution: automate it. With tools like PandaDoc, Salesforce, and moksy.ai, you can automate thank you notes and follow-ups, personalize them, and send them out in seconds. Moksy.ai lets you create personalized landing pages and automated follow-up sequences, keeping your customers engaged without you lifting a finger. Just set it up once and the system does the rest.